Y'all, I just got back. Literally just got back from Texas. 2 days later, I'm flying to New York. We got so much going on. Good problems, right? But it's the stuff they don't show you. So I'm flying in, flying out. Like, I'm leaving tonight. I'll be back tomorrow night. All day I've been working in the office, grinding. I had to tell myself stop because the non-negotiables, the gym. So I went to the gym, did legs today, took a shower, packed my bags, and now we out. On the way to the airport, I had to stop here, grab some clippers, and we out. Bro, it's gotta be the tiniest airport I've been to. Got one belt, there go TSA. I mean, they got places to eat, I guess. They got restaurants up there, coffee shop. That's it, it's the airport. Isn't that crazy? Welcome to Westchester. It's foggy out here. Way different than Florida. Like, Florida right now is hot, you know what I mean? Crazy, bro, this is scary. I feel like a werewolf is gonna jump out of nowhere. Yo, so we bought a boat, kind of on accident, kind of not. So we bought a boat because we thought we bought an Airbnb. So we bought the boat for this Airbnb, and then the deal fell through, like last minute. So now we have a boat. So what Danny and I ended up doing, Danny's idea was to just have it at like one of those boat lift places that they keep your boat, and you call them and let them know, you want to use your boat, and then they'll have it ready for you. So we're gonna leave it there. We're gonna pay monthly for that. I don't know nothing about boats, so today we're gonna go out and try to learn as much as I can about the boat. It's not like a crazy boat. I think it's like a pontoon boat. Danny went and bought it. It's gonna be cool because it's the beginning of boats for our family. We never did boats before, so this might be the first boat, and then we upgrade the boat till we eventually get to a damn yacht or something. Oh no, that's what we're doing today.
Hi.
So I thought it was a pontoon, and I forgot that we actually bought a real boat. So it's the real boat. You guys can see a lot of seating. Danny on the ones and twos. Got some seating here. Little sailboats.
Returning, you've got the red on the right, so you're returning. So here you keep the red on the left, the green on the right.
Yeah.
But just follow these guys. We're not gonna be going anywhere really for right now. You don't sit on it, you lay on it.
Lay flat on it.
You lay like that. What you think that is, a mini jet ski? What the hell wrong with you, boy?
Alright, go. Pull
The green is go, red is stop, right?
Elijah, grab it like that. There you go.
He's like trying to swim with it.
Push and hold it.
Push and hold it.
Squeeze and hold it, Elijah.
He went right into a line. All right, babe. You keeping your hat on?
There you go, like that.
That's hot. Good job, babe. Why, don't go that way. There's a line. Okay.
Alright, we'll see you at the boat ramp. Bye.
All right, Valentina. You lay down like that, okay? Sebastian might have a little business here. All he needs is a clipboard and have him sign a waiver. Straighten out your arms. Go, hold it.
Don't bump into them. Don't hit the boat.
She said no. What happened? Where are you going? You gotta use your body. Doing some adult things, some adult stuff today. My wife's washer and dryer. She's been dying to get a new pair. So any reason to get some new ones, she's all for it. So the washer started leaking, messed up our floors. Instead of going to go get them fixed, we've already been dying for a new set. But she's amazing.
I love how you say that's mine because I'm the one who does the laundry. Did I already say that?
This is what you want. I'm okay with getting some cheap used ones.
Of course you are.
So we're gonna go upgrade the washer and dryer. Little light flex, you know what I mean? Little light flex, couldn't go get the new washer and dryer. I'm just saying, like, that's when you know you're doing all right, when the washer and dryer breaks, instead of getting a technician or going straight to Craigslist and Facebook Marketplace.
My high-level top-tier husband to buy me a new set.
So we're gonna go get a new set. What are the criteria? What's the
It has to
criteria?
be big because I have to be able to fit a comforter in there.
Chill out. We're on social media.
All right.
So you need a high capacity. What else?
That's really all I need.
That's all you need, high capacity. All right, so she's done her research. She knows which one she wants. And I got lucky because everything's on sale. It's like up to 30% off. So we're going to purchase the ones that she wants. Everything, all the appliances at the house are already Samsung. We're going to bleed Samsung team?
Yeah.
Because it's smart, right?
Can I start a load of wash when I'm not even home?
How you going to put the clothes in there?
No, I'm saying.
So these are the ones we want. You want top loaders only. Why?
Because they are better.
They hold up?
More durable, yeah.
More durable?
Yeah.
All right, so these are on sale. I like that. $400 off. I like
I
that.
heard that the rubber thing in the front loader a lot of times gets like either breaks or gets moldy.
So we're getting 2 of these. That's about $1,400. It hurts my soul. It hurts my heart to spend this money right now, especially since we're going on vacation here soon. But
It ain't nothing to a boss.
nah, chill out.
You gotta pay to play. Not the freight that's saying.
All right, I never thought I'd vlog this experience for you guys, but hopefully it was of value. Remember, top loaders are more durable. We're doing the 5.2 or the 5.3 capacity cubic feet. Everybody enjoy your day.
Like to do this washer with the matching dryer.
28 minute,
Yeah, 28-minute wash.
20-year
Wi-Fi
warranty.
connectivity.
Wi-Fi
Look,
connectivity.
schedule and receive, so I can schedule my closest.
Ooh.
Ready to go and
Little light flex, you know what I mean? Little light flex. You happy?
That was such a breeze.
Yeah?
Thank you.
New washer and dryer being delivered. Girl, you gonna post it on Instagram?
What does that mean? It means I'm not going to hear the washer while I'm watching TV in the other room, which
Oh, she's giving you all the game on your new washer and dryer.
Are you recording me?
All right, you gotta pick your PIN number. You gotta be able to remember it. So think about it in your head. You gotta be able to remember it. It has to be numbers, 4 numbers. Go ahead, push the numbers in. And then you can tell me in my ear after. That way I'll save it for you.
Oh, perfect.
You got it? Is it depositing your first money? What you depositing? Oh yeah, $100 bill. You official tissue. I'm on my way to go meet up with my dog, Dre. Got a meeting, I got some stuff I gotta show him. But my wife bought me some stuff, bought me some sneakers. So I wanna check them out, see what she got me. It's like, I don't know if you're gonna like them, but let me know if you like them. Oh snap, she got me one of my favorite brands, the Good Credit brand. What's the Good Credit brand? Do y'all know? Do y'all know what the Good Credit brand is? Let me show it to y'all. All right, let's see what they are. Let's see what we're working with here. Oh, I did see these. Nah, these are tough. I like them. If my wife likes them, I love them. You gotta rock them the right way. I don't buy a lot of sneakers, but when I do, I buy sneakers you guys probably wouldn't like. I don't know. Maybe you guys would like them. It ain't for everybody. I get it. These mugs ain't cheap though. Keep the gray laces, or I'll probably do the black laces. I think my favorite New Balances though are the 9060s. That's my favorite. I got some more to unbox for you guys. I got some fire stuff from BABYLISS that I gotta show you guys. I gotta go to this meeting first, and then I will do this unboxing. All right, so guys, I've had the same MacBook.
3-4 years.
3-4 years? No, it's been like 5 years, Elijah. Let me show you guys my MacBook. Don't get me wrong, I ain't bougie, but this MacBook has seen better days. So usually this thing starts flickering. Like it can give you a brain aneurysm, but this doesn't work anymore because I spilled orange juice, and then the keys barely work. So when I tap B, like usually it'll type a bunch of B's. So it's been like this for a few years now, and I haven't wanted to spend the money. Few times that I almost pulled the trigger and pushed the button, but I'm like, yo, I ain't gonna save the money. So guess who pushed the button? Daniel did. Daniel's son. So we're gonna unbox this bad boy. He just dropped it off to me. Elijah, you gonna record for me?
Yeah.
All right, cool. Oh, this is how you unbox it. You go through the middle, and then MacBook Pro.
So big.
Yes, it's the biggest screen. Let me see, what's the specs looking like? Yep, MacBook 16. Ready? Man, that thing's nice. Ooh. I don't know, this thing is clean. I'm gonna open it.
Don't spill orange juice on it again.
I know.
What the heck?
Ooh, that thing was ready for me. Nah, that's clean. New MacBook, new me. Look, there's barely any frame around it. That's clean. That's one unboxing. We got more stuff to unbox in a little bit. Appreciate you for clicking the button. Then he came over, he's like, I used your money. Like, yeah, but if you clicked the button, I wouldn't have clicked it. So I don't feel so bad spending it. Nay, I gotta record something, okay?
It's about time.
Sheesh.
Nice shorts.
Thanks, bro. All right, let's go. We at Sun Lake with the wife. Go ahead. All right, guys, we got this unboxing. I had more stuff at the house. Man. Oh, it's clippers? So Lithium FX. I thought it was that Barber side thing, but I guess they never sent me with that. So Lithium FXs, new and improved. So I already have a pair of these. This is I guess they're officially out now. New universal charging port, new on-off switch. That was a pain in the ass on the original one. So look, they got the salon cost, the MSRP, right? And then the new trimmers. These are pretty cool. So these are brand new. 90 minutes, 6,800 RPM motor, low indication lights. Here they go. The clippers. Bean been using these trimmers and he loves them. He thinks they hit. Long life ball bearing DC motor. Ooh, they're using the ball bearings in this one. 4 hours of runtime. Okay. And then these are, so this goes up to 4.2. You guys know a number 1 is 3 millimeters. So 4.2 is like a 1 open, maybe?
2 hours to run time.
2 hours of runtime. All right. They're official tissue. I'm gonna give them to the guys to play around with and see if they rock with them. Thank you, Babyless. I appreciate the box, man, the package. Got some more stuff to unbox in just a bit. That's a single foil. You guys can see. Beautiful build. This is single foil as well. Beautiful build. I really love the single foil, but we're gonna review the double foil just a bit. Man, this thing is crazy. Dennis sent us a couple of these. Shannon kept the double foil, but now he's reneging and he wants to take the single foil from me.
That's right. I had the single foil first. One of the testers, I had the tester. I love the single foil. So then I was like, let me go ahead and just try that double out.
Yeah.
And the double's fire too.
But you got a bunch of doubles.
I got a lot of doubles, so I wanted that single. It's just, man, real cool to get up around the mustache and stuff like that. So.
All right, well, I'm passing these on to somebody who can use them a lot more than I will.
Thank you, sir.
There you are, brother.
You. Thank you, Dennis, also for sending them to us.
Yes, sir. Thanks, Dennis. Appreciate it. Appreciate the team at Babyless. So I need to do this unbagging. Baby sent me a bunch of stuff. So this blow dryer is supposed to be fire. They know my wife is a hairstylist, so they be sending stuff for her too. Look at that. It's supposed to be fire. They never sent me any of these, and I love the finish of the FX3 in the all black, so I had to get these. These are crazy. Case, batteries for my clipper, and these are new drops. These are Andy Authentics versions of the Low Pro FXs. Smaller, the trimmer, you got them here. They got Nicole's, and then they got Vandergoats, I believe. Vandergoats is like red, I believe. Nicole's is dope. The blue is dope. I had to go with the yellow, man. I had to go with the yellow. I have a lot of yellow. These are all the goods I got. Can't wait to break them out the box. Today is haircut day for everybody except for me, especially this guy. He wants a haircut, right? Gonna do your uncle's hair, gonna do your cousin's hair, cause we got a trip to Puerto Rico coming up. You ready for that?
Excited.
Let me ask you, the boat that we went on, that Daddy and Danny bought, what'd you think about the boating experience?
That was the best thing
Really?
ever done.
You sure?
Yeah.
The boat broke at the end of it, but it's fixed now. I guess a cable got loose on the reverse. So we bought that boat cash. I think it was like 30 or 40 grand, something like that. We'll probably sell it though, and thinking about getting something bigger because my wife and Danny's wife, they weren't feeling it. They want something that's like more stable, not too wavy. Remember when we were on the way back and we were hitting those waves? And Mommy was like, what is going on? You think that's fun?
It was like a roller coaster.
Yeah, that's not good. So your mom wants chill, relax, lay out type of vibe. So anyways, I want to talk to you guys real quick and just let y'all know. I'm at a place now where it's time to have experiences, have a lot of experiences. We're making sure that we travel. We're making sure that we go out and do things. I've never learned how to drive a boat, and that was like my first time learning. So I'm learning that, and then I want to experience more things. You know, like I don't know if the boating life is for me, but I want to try it. Same thing with planes. Like one day I want to learn how to fly a plane. What do you think about that? Learning how to fly a plane? Can you imagine? That'd be crazy, right? I don't know nobody growing up, family, that even had the audacity to even think that that's a thing that's possible. We work really hard. We sacrifice for a very long time. Elijah only remembers a little bit of it, right?
What?
The struggle.
Oh, yeah.
What's the struggle? What was the struggle?
Where me and Valentina had to share a room, and we lived in a tiny apartment. Daddy had to sell his BMW.
Keep going.
And,
How you remember all that? You were like 5 years old.
And we had a Toyota for like 20 years.
You know, that's the stuff that he saw, but he didn't see the missed bills, the negative bank accounts, stressing to be able to pay rent. Car was not sold, it was repoed. he didn't know that. You know, and that's the struggle for us, but you know, people struggle even worse, you know that, right? So we always got to count our blessings. But just know, man, like guys, delayed gratification. Stop letting stupid stuff keep you from getting amazing stuff, like owning your life. You guys let things own you, and then you're stuck in a rat wheel. You're stuck trying to get your head above water. You're stuck trying to get to the next level. Every time you buy something stupid, like some nice shoes. Right now, I'm buying a lot of shoes these days because I can afford to now, because I sacrificed for a little bit. I can afford to now. I've never had like real diamond earrings. Like I can afford to do it now. But it took a decade of sacrifice. And I'm not telling you guys to follow in my footsteps. As a matter of fact, I would tell you guys to learn from people's mistakes that you look up to, and you might be able to get there way faster. I didn't learn about credit. I didn't learn about taxes. I didn't even know that shit existed till I was a grown man. So I didn't have a head start in that sense. I'm trying to share this wisdom to you guys. I'm trying to keep my son level-headed. He's a humble kid though. I think you appreciate your blessings. You do?
Yeah.
You sure? Are you sure?
Yeah.
Okay. All right, you guys. That's it for this vlog. Let me know in the comments what you want me to vlog about. I'll just be vlogging about whatever's going on and whatever's on my mind. All right, y'all.